Hello everyone.
Happy December 22nd. Today we celebrate date nut bread, winter warmth, and the joy of festive flavors. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Date Nut Bread Day. A cozy, hearty holiday treat. A great gift could be a bread baking kit, a gourmet nut sampler, or a festive loaf pan. Have you tried this classic? Let's slice into the comments. It's a perfect day to enjoy winter traditions. Whether it's warm drinks, soft blankets, or holiday lights. A thoughtful gift could be a cocoa set, a winter candle, or a cozy throw. What's your winter comfort? Let's warm the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 3 days away, and the countdown is as warm and sweet as fresh holiday bread. It's Forefathers Day, honoring the traditions and stories that shaped us. A sweet gift could be a family history book, a heritage recipe card set, or a framed family tree. What tradition do you cherish? Let's honor it in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering celebrations for January 21st to 25th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.